welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Poonam and I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle, makeup videos on every Friday and sometimes bonus videos around the week. So before going ahead with this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing this WetnWild eyeshadow palette, this 10 color eyeshadow palette. This recently got launched. So 10 colors, wide range of colors. These are not just neutrals. You can, if you buy one palette, you will get wide range of colors where you can create both the day and night look. And that's pretty good deal, guys, because the price of this eyeshadow palette is only $4.99. In that way it's pretty pocket friendly, because I feel like paying $4.99 and getting 10 colors, it's pretty because there are palettes quads, 2 color 4 color eyeshadow palettes, but with by paying $4.99, I can hardly tell you guys, you won't find an eyeshadow palette which consists of 10 colors, 10 useful colors which you can create and mix match, and you can create so many eyeshadow looks. And for that reason I feel this eyeshadow are pretty good. There are 4 variants. I am in the shade E759 comfort zone, because you are getting 2 very overhyped and 2 transition shades which are pretty important. You can see, because with the help of the transition color you can create an amazing eye look, guys. Even if you are going for neutrals, a transition shade can create an amazing effect to your eyes. It can create amazing gradation to your eyes and it will look amazing. So the 2 transition shades are here, one is for the day and one is for the night. And first of all, these are cruelty free eyeshadow palette. I really like it, using the colors. These are super pigmented. You can see my eyes are looking super bomb, super glam, and I really like it. So the net volume of this eyeshadow palette is 8.5 grams, which is pretty decent, and this will last you, if you use it wise, this will last you for long, guys. So I really like this palette and I really give a big thumbs up to this eyeshadow variant. Do buy it. Do let me know what is your experience with this eyeshadow palette. There are many other variants, 4 variants. I got the comfort zone. Do let me know which variant you tried and how are the experience. So I just made a little bit of damage. Never mind, when you love something you sometimes create a mess, but thank God it's not that expensive. If something's happen, I can buy it again. Also, guys, I'm done with my base, the foundation, the powder, the contouring and highlighting, and also I I just line my brows. I'm done with the things which I usually do on my face. I get to do my eyes and my lips as well. So my lip color will be based on what eye makeup I'll be doing today. I would try to incorporate as much as color are there in this palette so that you guys get a good idea of using this palette. Also, guys, this palette is pretty much raved, because this palette is very close to modern renaissance subculture palette. The green color and the taupey duochrome colors are pretty similar to the subculture modern renaissance palette. I don't have that palette because that was pretty expensive, but guys, you can get this palette and get your hands on to this color which are pretty pigmented, and it will give you amazing look on your eyes. And yes, let's get started. So I'll be using this color, guys. It's pretty brownish, kind of maroonish kind of color. It's a really good color for your transition. So I'm taking this flat top blending kind of brush, very fluffy and very good for your blending. So I'm just touching the color, because since it's pretty, oh my god, since this color is pretty pigmented, so I'm just touching the color like so, and I'm just dusting it off, and then I'll be blending like so. Can you see that? I'm just holding it brush very lightly, very light on hands. I'm just brushing the color just on the crease, very lightly. See, the color is so pigmented, guys. Oh my god, it's so pigmented. I'll be taking this black color, like, you know, it's not black, it's greenish black. Like, can you see that? This is pretty sparkly, guys. I'll be just taking this color in a dome, like, you know, dome shape kind of brush. You can see that. Can you see that? Dome shaped brush. I'm just taking this color very light hands because these are super pigmented, guys. I'm just depositing it in the outer corner like so. You can see that? And then I'm just giving a good blend with that brown. Ooh, this is so pigmented. Now I have to blend. So just blend it, guys, like so. It's pretty pigmented, so take very little. You can see that I have taken very little, but still it's so pigmented that I have to, like, you know, I will break my hand while blending. So yes, just keep on blending, guys, till you get your desired shade. The only drawback is that, like, you know, there are only 2 matte shades. That is only for your transitions. All are either shimmery or, like, you know, sparkly colors. So this is pretty sparkly. You can see that. No fallout so far, guys. That is pretty good thing. I mean, these are pigmented and yet there are no fallouts, guys. These are the shining from my highlighter, but yet not much fallouts are here. You can see that. See, I have used the very dark color, like, but still I didn't got any fallout yet. Now I'm taking this very flat brush. You can see that, very flat brush, and we'll take this duochrome color, like, you know, this green gray, I don't know, I'm just in love with this duochrome color. You can see that, so pretty. I'm just taking this color in a very tight hand, guys. Earlier I was just holding at the very back of the brush. Now I will try to hold the brush in the middle. So with very tight hands, I'll just deposit the color like so. You can see. Ooh, that's so pigmented. I'll just deposit the color, guys. I will not blend much. I'll just deposit the color. I'm just in love with it, guys. Now what I will do, I will take the same brush and try to blend the edges so that there are no harsh lines, like so. No harsh lines. See, can you see that? I'm just loving this color, guys. This is so, like, you know, so pigmented. I mean, apart from that, there are after using this color, very little tinsy-minsy fallouts are here. I can see that after using this color. But apart from that, really, no other fallouts. Many beauty bloggers, they don't use this, but I'm using this sponge tip mainly because of my corners. For the corners, I'm taking this green color. You can see this light green shade. I'm taking this color, I'm taking a swipe of color, and I'm just taking it in a, like, you know, like so, and I'm just pushing the color inside on, like, you know, in my inner corners. I'm taking the color and I'm just pushing the color and just trying to blend it with this color. You can see that. I'm just taking this color and pushing it with this color. Can you see the transition? I'm taking this green one and slightly putting it here. Okay, yeah, fallout. Can you see? Now I'm thinking of using this color, this brown one. Okay, this brown, dark brown one. Again, I'm taking a very flat brush and will smudge the lower lash line with this color. Ooh, super pigmented! You can see that. Just smudging the color and mixing it with the green one. Super pigmented, guys, super pigmented. So there are fallouts, guys, like, you know, some do have fallouts and some don't. So you can see that, like, you know, there are very little fallouts, not much. And we also know that, like, you know, if there are fallouts, that means the pigments are pretty good. Now I will add some highlighted color. Okay, let me take this this color for my brow bone, so it will be highlighted. Ooh, this is again super pigmented. You can see that, super pigmented. Now let me add some eyeliner, lipstick and mascara. I'll be back. So guys, after, like, you know, wearing eyeliner, mascara and lipstick, I'm done with my look. What do you guys think about this look, about the eye makeup which I have created? I pretty love my eye makeup. What you guys think? Because I'm pretty much bold eyes kind of girl, bold lips kind of girl. Yes, everything bold, everything bold. So if you want to like, you know, check out some, like, you know, natural look which you can create with this eyeshadow, do let me know in the comment box below. I will create that for you guys, because I myself, like, you know, can slay this smoky eyes look any time of the day. But many of you guys prefer, like, you know, lighter summery shades. So if you want to check out that, do let me know in the comment box below. I will definitely come up with another eye makeup tutorial with this eyeshadow palette as well. And many of the colors I have used on my eye makeup, you can see that, like, you know, some glittery, some satin, like, you know, light colors also I have used. So yes guys, this is the makeup look and this is the eyeshadow. And yes, I really like this eyeshadow, so it's a big thumbs up, thumbs up for the eyeshadow. I really love this eyeshadow palette personally, and I would highly recommend you guys for going with this eyeshadow palette. You can choose any other variant, but this is the most loved eyeshadow palette right now for me, because I really love it. You can see, like, you know, sometimes excess love may damage stuff, so that's what happened to me. And yes guys, that's what I want to tell you guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post videos on my channel. And yes guys, love you so much. Take care and bye bye.